Team 3 weather with Chief Meteorologist Tom Kippen. Brought to you by Shunk Furniture.
Hello, I'm meteorologist Tom Kippen. I'm here live tonight at the Marquette Maritime Museum. We are remembering the 40th anniversary of the sinking of the Edmund Fitzgerald out by Whitefish Point. Now, the Edmund Fitzgerald went down 40 years ago today. On board were 29 crew members, and they were en route from Superior, Wisconsin, Duluth area, and they were headed to a steel mill near Detroit when they were caught in a strong November storm that lifted through the upper Great Lakes and brought gale force winds. I'm here now with Kurt Fosberg. He is the Vice President of the Marquette Maritime Museum. Kurt, thank you so much for joining us here tonight. And talk a little bit about, there's been over 7,400 shipwrecks in the Great Lakes. What makes the Edmund Fitzgerald unique?
Well, I think the Fitzgerald's unique because it was the last major shipwreck on the Great Lakes, and it still has a lot of family members alive in the area who can still remember when the vessel went down. Today with CNN and everything, it's instant gratification. That was a day when that was a big news story and it played on the major networks. Of course, Gordon Lightfoot came along with the song. That didn't hurt to keep the memory alive. That became popular, and I think it just stuck in everyone's memory. Now it pretty much represents all the shipwrecks and all the people lost on the Great Lakes as a memorial. So I think that's what keeps it going.
Pretty much everything that could have gone wrong for the Fitzgerald that day pretty much did. Talk about that.
Well, she had lost her radar. She was taking on water, beginning to list. She was caught in a massive storm, taking on heavy seas, snow squalls. The light was out at Whitefish Point. The radio directional finder was down at Whitefish Point because the power was out. It was a matter of everything that could really go wrong at one point in time went wrong. And it was just a bad day on the lake.
Talk a little bit about what has changed in the past 40 years since the Edmund Fitzgerald sank to today's shipping.
Well, a lot of safety measures came out of the wreck of the Edmund Fitzgerald. Things that were missing on the vessel itself became mandatory after that. And I think you're going to find a lot of your weather has changed with computerization and getting the data out to the mariner on a quicker basis, knowing what's going to happen further in advance. The mariner can make the choice to not go out or make that decision ahead of time, not a day ahead, but maybe 2 or 3 days ahead. I think that's gone a long ways to help that, along with emergency response. And as I said, the safety equipment has been updated. The chances of survival are a little greater.
Kurt, thanks a lot for joining us.
You're welcome.
And we have another strong November storm system that will lift up into the Great Lakes. Let's take a look at tonight's forecast. Rain will start to move in some locations on Wednesday afternoon, but the widespread rain comes in on Wednesday night, and it will be windy at times with gusts up to 30 to 35 miles per hour. We'll catch a break from the wind and we'll be in a little bit of a lull, but the wind will pick back up again late Wednesday afternoon or Thursday afternoon into Thursday night. And also Thursday afternoon, we could see a wintry mix possible in the western UP. Accumulating snow, and for some, the first shovelable or plowable snow is possible west of Marquette on Thursday night and Friday morning. As we look at Futurecast for the nighttime hours on Tuesday, we'll see dry conditions tonight, and then for Wednesday itself, we'll start off our day with generally sunny skies, but clouds will be on the increase, and by Wednesday afternoon, we could see some scattered rain showers. Widespread rain, though, could be heavy at times, and we could hear a rumble of thunder will move in for Wednesday night and Thursday morning, and it will be windy. And as we head into Thursday, we'll continue with on and off rain showers. We'll catch a little bit of a break from the wind on Thursday morning into early Thursday afternoon, but the winds will pick right back up again on Thursday late afternoon into Thursday night. Here we go with winds. No wind issue on Wednesday itself. It's Wednesday night and Thursday is when the winds kick up. Here's our forecast model for early Thursday morning, and at times winds could be gusting over 30 miles per hour in some spots, especially near Lake Michigan. There's the break from the winds on Thursday morning, but as we head into Thursday afternoon, once again, we're expecting the winds to pick right back up. No weather issues for tonight, but some patchy fog is possible in some spots. 20s inland, 30s near the Great Lakes. For tomorrow, we'll have rain moving in the late afternoon with increasing clouds as well in the late afternoon. But the widespread rain and wind, along with the heavy rain that is potentially possible, or that will move in on Wednesday night. As we head into Thursday, we're looking at rain with potentially a wintry mix on Thursday afternoon. And then Thursday night into Friday, it's snow, and it could be accumulating snow, moderate accumulating snow west of Marquette. We'll have high temperatures on Friday only in the 30s. Sun returns on Saturday, and then for the opening day of deer hunting season on Sunday.
Back out here live at the Marquette Maritime Museum, want to give special thanks for them for letting us in to remember the 40th anniversary of the Edmund Fitzgerald sinking. Cynthia, back to you.
All right, thank you very much, Tom, and certainly our thoughts and prayers are with the family members of those 29 crew members.